From turtle watching and the famous sardine run to cafes and nightlife, ito ang naging experience namin sa Moalboal, Cebu. And if you're planning your own trip here, this video should give you an idea kung paano nyo masusulit ang Moalboal from start to finish. Plus, stick around hanggang dulo for the breakdown of expenses at total cost reveal namin for 3 days and 2 nights dito. Samahan nyo kami as we explore Moalboal, Cebu. After Oslo, bumiyahe naman kami papuntang Moalboal and ayan, nag-takeout kami ng pizza for lunch which cost us 495 pesos. If galing kayong Oslo, pwede naman kayong mag-bus going to Moalboal. Mas mura siya but yun lang, maghihintay kayo ng 30 minutes or more para may dumaan na bus kasi walang nearby bus station. Kami, we opted for a private transpo na syempre, mas mahal. So gumastos kami ng 2,500 pesos for the 3-hour trip. And pagdating nyo sa Moalboal, may 25 pesos environmental fee per head. And dito na kami binaba sa accommodation namin. Hi guys! Welcome sa panibagong vlog. Andito na kami sa Moalboal, Cebu. And this is Secret Paradise. So,
we chose this accommodation because after Siquijor and Oslo, yung accommodation namin medyo sakto lang siya, parang tulugan. But this one, it's actually 5,000 per night. Pero walang breakfast. But the good thing about it is, ang lapit niya sa mga restaurants. 5 to 10 minutes walk lang. Ang lapit sa Panagsama Beach. Kung gusto niyo mag-sardine run, lalakad lang kayo. Andito na yung Pescadores Sardine Run. So we're gonna show you bakit namin pinili itong lugar na ito. Room tour. So, very minimalist and Mediterranean style. And let's test the bed. Okay naman siya for the bed. Sakto din yung pillow. Hindi siya ganun kalambot, pero mas malambot dun sa mga previous beds and pillows namin. Here, very spacious for us. Medyo ang dami yung pwedeng paglagyan ng gamit. Open wardrobe din. And they have a safety box. Then, pagdating dito, ito TV. May complimentary water and coffee. And ang favorite ni Jowa, ang restroom. Clean and may bidet. Here is their shower area. They have a billiard. This is the lounge area. Pwede kayong manghiram dito ng mga board games and books.
so after namin magpahinga ng onte, in-explore namin yung mga restaurants, bars, and other establishments sa Panagsama Road, which is a 10 to 15 minute walk galing sa Secret Paradise. Or 5-minute tricycle ride kung may mahanap kayong trike. So dito na kami nagpababa ng araw and for dinner, dito kami sa El Mercado de Moalboal where you'll find a wide variety of eats and lots of tourists. Alright guys, so andito tayo sa El Mercado de Moalboal. As you can see, ang dami ng mga tao. And what can you find here? Well, madami. Madaming food stalls, madaming choices from sandwiches, Chinese food, tacos, pizza, and everything else in between. So magsawa kayong mamili dito kung ano kakainin nyo. And that's what we're going to do now for dinner. We're going to find some food and tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin dito. So ayan, si Sel bumili ng pho for 350 pesos. Ako naman kinuha yung Aussie meat pie for 350 pesos din. Plus Coke for 80 pesos and bottled water for 35 pesos. And then to cap it off, we got this delicious banana crepe for 250 pesos. Bale, all in all, naka 1,065 pesos kami for dinner. After that, umuwi na kami sa Secret Paradise and that's day 1. Alright, for day 2, maaga kaming gumising because this was the day na mag-turtle watching and sardine run kami here sa Moalboal. And isa talaga to sa mga pinaka-famous activities dito. In fact, maraming spots around Panagsama Beach kung saan pwede kayong mag-avail ng tours for this experience.
First, gagawin natin yung sea turtles. Turtle watching. Yung turtle namin dito, sir, sobrang talaga, gentle talaga, hindi takot sa tao. Pero bawal natin hawakan. Pangalawa naman is sa Sardines Run. Sardines Run area, mag-wall dive na, siguro 30 meters. Pero makikita natin sila above the water, 3 meters distant lang.
So ayun, nakahanap kami ng nag-tour sa amin around the waters of Panagsama for turtle watching and sardine run. So after onting briefing, we're off to sea. And then syempre, para sulit yung underwater shots, nag-rent ulit kami ng GoPro which cost us 500 pesos. Hi guys, kakatapos lang namin dito sa Sardine Run and Turtle Watching dito sa Panagsama Beach, and ang masasabi lang namin guys is wow, wow, wow. So the hype is real guys, yung mga nakikita nyo sa social media na napakadaming sardinas. Totoo siya guys.
Millions
Yeah.
of sardines. Ngayon is summer, April 10, pero kahit maraming turista, sa lawak at dami ng mga sardines, meron kayong magkukuhang spot. Maganda dito sa nakuha naming guide is talagang tuturuan niya kayo kung paano kayo pumailalim. Then, bago kayo pumailalim, bibigyan niya kayo ng a few briefing, lalo na kung beginner kayo. Ang pinaka masasuggest ko lang talaga is wag kayong magpapanik.
Huwag kayong magpanik guys kasi lulutang naman kayo, and you know, kung hindi naman kayo marunong mag-swimming, which is true for us din, no? Hindi naman kami ganun kagaling mag-swimming, no? We know a few stuff. Meron namang life ring, merong floating vest para, you know, safe naman kayo. And yung guide nyo guys, mabait naman, no? So tutulungan niya kayo. Yung guide namin si Kuya JC, shoutout kay Kuya JC sa pagtulong sa amin.
And then, meron din silang mga kasamahan para itulak kayo pababa. So, basta sasabihan lang kayo kung maghihinga na ba kayo, tapos itutulak kayo pababa. Actually, may iba't ibang level ng baba. Meron 3 meters, may 5 meters, may 10, may 20, and meron pa. Doon lang kami sa beginner, mga 3 to 5 meters lang kami. Ang turo nila kuya sa amin is i-pinch ng konti ang ilong, lalo na pag pumailalim tas masakit sa tenga.
Yeah, kasi yung pressure na yun guys eh. Pero worth it naman. Talaga makikita niyo yung mga sardines. On a good day, sobrang like literal wall of sardines ang makikita niyo, no?
So cost breakdown na nakuha namin dito is 500 kami per person.
Kasama na doon yung life ring, yung vest, and yung guide, no? Now, if kailangan nyo ng fins, and which we recommend na kumuha kayo ng fins, no? 150 ang isa, that's for the small one. And para naman sa mga mas malaki na fins or yung mas advanced down na fins, that's 350 per set.
Recommended din nila pag beginner kayo, ang kunin nyo lang na fins is yung small one. Kasi mabigat actually yung fins, lalo na yung malaki.
Yep.
So kung beginner ka pa naman, katulad namin, kunin nyo muna yung maliit.
Of course, kumuha rin kami ng GoPro kasi sayang, 'di ba? So yung rent nila dito for GoPro is 500. Tapos yung guide nyo, siya na ang kukuha. They know naman how to take the shots. They know what shots to take. So hindi nyo na paproblemahin yun. Just sumisid lang kayo, mag-post lang kayo. Sila na bahala.
Pinaka-importante is to listen to your guide, lalong-lalo na pag sinabi nila yung mga rules, especially na wag hawakan yung turtles, and then wag rin masyadong lumapit. Alam naman nila kung saan yung angle, kung saan yung tama ng araw. So, kailangan makinig talaga kayo. And may mararamdaman lang kayong parang makate pagkaahon nyo kasi sabi nila may maliliit na jellyfish. Actually, may nakita ko maliliit na jellyfish, pero pag nilagyan nyo naman ng suka tapos nagbanlaw kayo agad, kasi meron din silang shower area, mawawala naman siya agad. Wag na wag nyo lang kakamot.
Yeah. Alright guys, so uwi muna kami. We're gonna take a shower, freshen up, and then we're going to grab brunch. Kasi brunch na, no? Dun sa Shaka, which is isa sa mga, from what we heard, no? Pinakasikat na food spots dito sa Mawal-Boal. Let's see what the hype is about. Tara! Ayan guys, so for our lunch, we went for healthy, hearty meals dito sa Shaka. Si Sel tinry yung famous nilang Bom Dia Smoothie Bowl which cost 345 pesos.
At first, maasim kasi of the fruits, pero you have to mix the cacao.
Ako naman nag-order ng chicken rice bowl plus extra ulam which cost 400 pesos total. Alright guys, so nakakain na ako ng chicken bowl nila. Sel is finishing up on her smoothie. And isa sa mga napansin ko dito sa Shaka is yung kanilang ube coconut latte. As a kinda coffee fan, I'd like to try different types of coffee. So hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ng purple na coffee. I've never seen it, never tasted it. Ngayon pa lang. So, alright, try na natin. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Uy, okay ito. Oo kasi. Hindi, seryoso. Gusto mo i-try? Okay. So, short explanation, kaya naelib ako, no? So, ang hinahanap ko kasi sa mga ganito is yung lasa yung kape. So, dito lasa yung kape, lasa yung ube, lasa yung coconut milk. So, it is what it says it is. And the result is very After kumain, naglakad muna kami pabalik ng Secret Paradise through this scenic route beside Panagsama Beach. So along the way, marami rin kaming nadaan ng souvenir stalls and small shops. So if gusto nyong bumili ng mga pasalubong or mga beachwear, marami kayong choices around the area. Also sa mga marunong magmotor dyan, para mas mapadali ang ikot nyo around Mawal-Boal, may mga nagre-renta naman dito ng mga motor. Sa hapon, nag-chill lang kami muna dito sa Secret Paradise. So ayan, nagbilyar muna kami, gumawa ng onting work, and nag-snacks habang nagpapahinga. Perfect din yung vibe if gusto nyo lang muna mag-slow down after a morning activity like turtle watching or yun nga yung sardine run. Hi guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-work. So doon kami tumambay doon sa restaurant dito sa Secret Paradise. No? We had a good view of the pool and we also bought some food and drinks from the restaurant habang nagwo-work. So now we're ready to explore Mawal-Boal at night.
So, ang plano namin is to have dinner first and then maybe have a dessert kung ano man yung makita namin. Kasi promise guys, sobrang daming choices dyan sa Panagsama Road. And we might end up sa restaurant na may live music. So, tignan natin ang Mawal-Boal at night.
So ayan guys, mas nabubuhay na siya pag mga ganitong oras. And for dinner, kumain kami dito sa restaurant na to. Ang total namin for our dinner is 750 pesos. After nun, dumiretso kami dito sa dessert place na to try yung kanilang Dubai Chocolate Crepe. So sobrang sarap guys, and for the crepe, 230 pesos yung total namin. Now, plano sana namin maghanap ng bar or resto with live music. Pero habang naglalakad kami, nakita namin itong Sip Tea Bar where nagkakaraoke yung mga guests. So it looked fun and we had drinks for 500 pesos. Tapos like I said, sobrang fun ng vibe guys. Lahat sila nagkakantahan dito, sobrang saya.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Bahala hindi ko sa ulo. Dahil ang tubig malamig ang magalina.
And since lahat naman nagkakaraoke, sabi ko, sige, I'll give it a shot.
We'll give it a shot. Whoa, we're out lately. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it last way. Whoa, living on a prayer.
Okay, so day 3, last day na namin here sa Moalboal. And before heading back to Manila, nag-breakfast muna kami dito sa resto bar ng Secret Paradise. So naka 620 pesos kami for that. And then after, since maya-maya pa naman darating yung service namin, nag-swim muna kami ng onte dito sa pool nila, no? Perfect din siya for relaxing, lalo na around this time, mga 8 a.m., wala pang masyadong tao and sakto lang ang araw. After that, nag-check out na kami and again, may private transpo kami going to the city for our flight. So that's another 2,500 pesos for the private car service where in-assist kami ng concierge ng Secret Paradise para i-book. Around 4 hours yung drive from Moalboal to Cebu City, including a short stop. Pero malaking convenience na talaga pag may direct na maghahatid sa inyo from Moalboal to the airport para hindi na kayo mahirapan maglipat-lipat ng sasakyan, especially if may dala kayong mga luggage. So yun guys, after spending 3 days and 2 nights here sa Moalboal, din-drop off na kami dito sa airport for our flight. Ayan, onting work muna ulit while waiting for our plane. And as promised guys, ito ang total breakdown of our expenses during our 3-day and 2-night stay sa Moalboal.
Hi guys, it's currently 6:20 p.m. So pa-flyback na kami sa Manila. Cebu has been a wonderful experience. 3 days and 2 nights kami sa Oslob, ganun din sa Moalboal. Pero grabe, sobrang sulit.
Yeah, grabe yung mga experiences guys from the whale shark, tapos sa Moalboal naman yung sardine run.
And turtles, and yung aming mga restaurants na napuntahan.
Yup, including yung karaoke night last night which was a lot of fun. Tapos yung pinagstayan namin, what a great place sa Secret Paradise. So ayun guys, we're about to wrap up. Pabalik na kami na Manila. And hopefully na-enjoy nyo itong vlog namin. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. So with that,
And so,
I'm Joel and we'll see you on the next vlog.
bye!